In this short video, I'm going to show you how to cook a healthy low-carb keto dinner. It's great for diabetics, it's also great for someone who's trying to lose weight or someone who's simply trying to maintain good health. By the way, if you're new to my channel, I'm a nutritionist and a health coach who promotes a low-carbohydrate ketogenic diet. Feel free to subscribe to my channel. So these are the ingredients. For the meal, you will need 1 Romanesco broccoli, or you can also use simple broccoli or cauliflower. And then 200 grams, which is equivalent to 7 ounces of organic pork or beef mince. And then grass-fed butter, 10 cherry tomatoes, mascarpone cheese, which is as well optional, and organic extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper. And I'm going to be using pink Himalayan salt because it has more various minerals. So first I will start by washing my Romanesco broccoli, and as well I will remove the leaves. Then I will break it down and cut into smaller pieces. And add all of it to a baking tray. Then I'm gonna open a pack of tomatoes, and I'm gonna try to not use all of it, and I will use around 10 tomatoes. So first you have to wash them, and then you can either add whole tomatoes or cut them into halves. And as well add them to your baking tray. Okay, so now you see how it looks. Then I'm gonna add those 200 grams or 7 ounces of organic pork. And I will just try to nicely spread it around. Okay, then of course washing my hands after touching meat. Okay, then I'm gonna add some unpasteurized salted butter. And I'm gonna put small pieces around the whole tray. Okay, then some Himalayan pink salt. As well some pepper. Organic extra virgin olive oil. And then I'm going to cook it for around 25 to 30 minutes at around 190 degrees Celsius, which is equivalent to 374 degrees Fahrenheit. And then this is an optional step. If you want it to be a bit more creamy and less dry, you can add some mascarpone cheese just around 5 minutes before it's ready. And here you go, it's ready. And also I'm going to show you how to make a simple and delicious salad. So what you will need is around 5 cups of mixed salad leaves, 7 cherry tomatoes, half a lemon, half a bell pepper, some pecans, around 1 handful, and organic extra virgin olive oil, salt and pepper. So I'm gonna start by cutting my tomatoes and adding them to a bowl. Then adding salad, and the more the better. Then as well I decided I'm gonna add half a pepper. So I removed the seeds, took only half, and cut it into smaller cubes. And add it to the bowl. And then I'm gonna add as well some pecan nuts. Then some freshly squeezed lemon juice, and organic extra virgin olive oil, and then again some salt and pepper, and mixing everything together. it's ready. So just this dinner alone will provide you with around 5 servings of vegetables. And I highly recommend that you would be getting 7 to 10 servings of vegetables a day. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click that notification bell so that you would get notified whenever I release new videos such as this one. And by the way, if you want to support my channel, feel free to buy me a coffee. There's a link down below in the description of this video, and you can simply click on it and buy me a coffee. So thanks so much for watching again, and I hope to see you in the next video.